Oh, hey, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace an A-pillar handle. It can be fairly simple. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so one of the first things you're going to want to do is take off these covers. Okay, to do that, you want to grab from the outer side of it. Just use a small pocket screwdriver or whatever you have. And grab that. This is what your clip looks like. This is the way it went in. Okay, I just grabbed right here and I pulled out this way. It doesn't want to come out this way. Do this one. See if I can get this in here. Number two, set that aside. Under here, there's either a 10 millimeter or a Phillips head. You can use either. If your Phillips head isn't gripping onto it enough for you, you just go ahead and use a 10 millimeter. This looks like it's working okay. Grab this one down here. Let's see. That's what your bolts look like. There's our handle. Now you're clear to replace or reinstall. Okay, now it's time for the reinstall. I'm going to take my bolt. I'm just going to slide it into the hole down in there. So it's just kind of hanging out waiting for me. Get my screwdriver on there. Get this lined up. I'm just going to start it in. I've got a few good threads. Now I'm going to line up the second bolt. Now that both of them are started, I can go ahead and tighten this down. I want to make sure it's fairly tight. I mean, this thing has to be secured, of course. There we are. We'll grab our little covers. The long end goes along the inner edge of it. So it's just essentially going to go in just like that. Okay. Long end along the inner edge. Give it a little push. Perfect. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.